Peach, daifuku. 21, grape. Yeah.
Is this the same as this one? No.
It's too thick.
Where's the market? Right? Very thick.
Oh, your one's too hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's okay.
It's the same brand, no?
Something different. Oh, it's 3. Thanks, the grape. Oh, 2.
Quite good. Like grape jelly.
So the first thing we bought today was from the museum that we went to in Kurashiki. We got 2 magnets. One is for water lilies by Monet. It's not the famous water lilies painting that he has, but I guess he's done a few of them because this museum had this painting. And then the other magnet is a painting that one of the owners of the museum did himself. So he's actually a painter and he does some pretty good paintings too. And then in Kurashiki they had the Miffy bakery. The packaging's so cute. They put all our bread that we bought in this little house box. It's so cute. Let's open it up because we haven't eaten them yet. So let's see what we got. Even the towels they gave us are cute. We got 3 different ones. Oh, this one's so cute. Miffy's face. I think this one inside is red bean. We also got 2 little toast boxes. Apparently this one's curry and this one's matcha. Like I think inside there's some filling. And the Miffy bakery also had its own merch. So we actually got quite a few actual merch. The most exciting one is this cute Baker Miffy keychain. So she's so cute. She's got a little chef hat. And this is like the bread. She's so cute. And then my mom and I got some cutlery. Mom and I got 1 each. And then they had forks too. They had 2 different colors. So I think, yeah, I got the orange one and my mom picked the green one. And then my mom also got this soy sauce tray. Soy sauce container. What do you call it?
Yeah, salsa.
Soy sauce saucer. And at first we were kind of confused. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what's on the box, right? When you open it, it's fully white. So my mom and I were really confused, but the cashier lady told us that it's actually because when you pour the soy sauce in, it'll look like this. So that's really cute. And the rest of the stuff we got were chopstick holders. That's just this one. I think this one's the cutest. It's the little bread Miffy. 2 of them are like these long ones. And then this is a miffy dharma. Actually, this one's pretty cute too. And one last thing. This is a ramen spoon, or like a soup spoon. So it's flat here, so you can sand it down like that. And then on the way back from Kurashiki, we went to Donkey. It's like where they sell basically everything for pretty cheap, and it's just convenient because it's all in the one shop. So I got a bunch of like skincare and makeup, and the good thing is that the shop does tax-free and there's an extra 5% off. So you get about 13% off, which is pretty good. Today we didn't buy too much stuff. We got a few things from a few of the art galleries we went to. This was the first one we went to, Teacher Museum. My favorite installation was probably this one. You're not allowed to take photos or videos in the museum, so I can only show you from the book. But it was basically this room that had an open top and then seats all along the walls so everyone could sit and look up into the sort of big skylight. And it was really pretty. You could like see the clouds moving, and it was really peaceful. You could hear like the rustling of the trees nearby. I feel like I could spend a lot of time just sitting here. I got a bookmark because I don't think I have a proper bookmark, at least one that I like. This is one of Monet's water lily paintings, which are in the museum as well. And the second museum we went to was the Venice Museum. It's probably most famous for these big pumpkins that aren't actually in the museum. They're outside on the island, so it's kind of fun to like walk around and explore because there's different art like exhibits outside all around if you just walk. And my mum got a shirt of the pumpkin, and it's got like the pattern of the yellow pumpkin here. One thing that I've been really wanting to get but I hadn't found before today was Sonny angels. I found them today. Let me show you. I got a bunch of them. I got 8 different ones. Oh, I can't even hold them all. These are all my babies. I can't wait to open them.